Well, guess what we have? Brake hoses. Now what is interesting is that these two are coming from a Morris, a pre-war Morris. It's something before Morris Minor model, for example, and they have the similar brake hoses like the Talbot. How useful is the internet? I'm gonna try to put some oil into the differential.
In here. Bloody hell.
It's very black.
Look, it's only going to fill to here because this is the filler. There's hardly anyone there. Do you want to keep pumping that and I'll tell you when to stop. Right, just leave it like that. And I'll see what you've got.
We need more oil. Doing the shape. Once we have the car going, we're gonna change that, but for now, this will do.
Hold it. That's it. Put it in the hole. And come on. Goes into one here, which goes to both the brakes.
Okay.
We've got a new junction, but it's all going round.
Oh God. Yes, we cut it off so we can take it off easier, but
we have to now. So that bit would go on there.
and basically what is happening is when you tied up this bit, you see this one is just getting unscrewed, so
right.
and now we're trying to rotate that thing.
Yeah, so we can use this and we can screw it in.
Yeah.
Then when we do this, we have to hold that stationary and we have to go round that way.
Ah, I see, okay. It has.
Something.
It has washers.
Yeah. Where are the washers for that one? We have to connect it to that.
Yeah.
So this whole thing has to come round. So I think we're going to have to undo this. Then we want that whole thing to roll round. Okay?
Yes.
Then we put this in there and we do that up tight. And then we do this up tight. There we are. That is loose. This thing can go round. Only if we undo that one against this one. Right. So what we're going to do, you see, is we're going to hold the other bit of the pipe. We've tightened this one up tight. It means we can't move that. So what we're going to do is we're going to rotate this one till it's tight. Tighten that against that. This goes through the hole. Put the nut on, tighten that against that, and then put the other bit in the other end.
Ah, now I understand.
Now you understand.
No, it's not. You can't feel anything.
We're going to put our washer, which we haven't got, and we're going to put this on there.
Okay.
Okay, then we're going to put it through and we're going to put the washer.
Imagine the struggle if you don't know how these things work or what is that, how you take it off.
It's impossible unless you know. Unless you understand.
That's why we're here.
On the end, like that.
Ah, okay, so
And
it's
then
right in the center.
We're going to screw it.
Moving on the front. Oh, there is the junction. Okay.
Right, so that we have to make undo. That's the junction that's going to go round and round.
This, you aren't gonna believe how cool is this. You see here on the passenger you have this lever, this one. So if you press it, wait, I don't know how to keep this here. Yeah, okay. So if I press it, see, it goes like this. Well, this lubricates all the bearings on the car. How clever.
This is an oiler. All these pivots need to be cleaned.
Oh, so it's connected here, the handbrake.
And that
to this one
pulls this cross shaft. Right, you see the cross shaft here?
No, if you can.
What we really want to do is to take this whole assembly off here. Because we need to clean all these linkages, otherwise we're never going to have any brakes.
Well, I think it's on the other side. They keep
It's going
rotating.
round.
Well, I'm spinning for half an hour and nothing happens.
Come on.
It's coming.
Yeah.
Yay. Where's the little stool that was here? We had one, you remember?
Yeah, I don't think it's safe to take your weight.
Not fat.
This is one of the grubbiest jobs.
It's jammed? Yeah. Oh, it's spinning.
How's it going?
No, it's spinning around.
No.
We'd like to twist it, probably. But yeah.
I think that broke it. Yes. Well done.
What's the plan when we're gonna fit it back? Ooh la la.
God, you got to have strong.
Yay! Ooh, that's grubby. How grubby it is. Don't you like a wire brush?
Do you know, you must read my brains. Still not clean yet.
Yeah, this is very good. And you can feel it has a play. Yeah, compared to this one.
What we've got to try and do is to get that grease. See, it's out of here.
Yes.
We want it out of this side too. Where's it going? It's coming out that side.
Start to push here a little bit, you see? If you push more, it will start to come red as well. Look, you're pocketing.
So, that's on a hook.
Oops. Aha, got it. It's coming out. Yes.